In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rollup in Airtable. Calculated Data 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a Rollup field to your table and configure it so your data summarizes itself automatically. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com. This works best in a modern browser, and you don't need any special setup to follow along. Next, log into your Airtable account. Use your usual credentials or your organization's single sign-on. If you have multiple workspaces, pick the one where your base lives, and you'll be taken right in. After you sign in, you'll land on the Airtable dashboard. This is your home base for everything. It shows your workspaces, bases, and quick access to the things you opened most recently. On this dashboard, look for the Recent section. Those tiles are shortcuts to bases you've been working on, which makes it easy to jump back in without digging through folders. Click a recent base to open it, or create a new base if you want to start fresh. Either way works. If you're creating a new one, a starter table is generated for you, and you can rename it later. When your base opens, you'll be in grid view by default. Think of grid view like a spreadsheet. Columns are fields and rows are records. Before using a rollup, make sure your table has a linked record field pointing to another table. Rollup works by pulling values from those linked records and calculating something from them. Go to the far right of your field list and click the plus button to add a new field. If you already have a rollup field in this table, you can click its header and choose Customize field to adjust it. Otherwise, we'll create a new one now. In the field type picker, use the search bar and select Rollup. This saves time and ensures you pick the correct field type. Give your field a clear name, then configure the rollup. First, choose the linked record field that connects to the other table. Next, pick the specific field in that linked table you want to summarize, such as an amount, hours, or status field. Then choose the aggregation. Common options include sum, average, min, max, and more advanced options like array join or a custom formula if you need to transform arrays into a single value. Use conditions to include only records that match certain criteria, and set formatting for numbers, currency, or dates, so the result looks right. If the rollup returns a blank, confirm the record actually has linked items and that the target field contains data. Click Create or Save and you're done. Your rollup is read-only, updates automatically, and can be moved or renamed anytime to fit your workflow.